Omar Hernandez.
Nice to meet you, Omar.
Do I have your permission to record this interview?
Yes, you do.
My career topic is becoming an engineer.
Okay.
And my first question is, how is your subject matter related to my career interest of an engineer?
If you want to become an engineer, all of calculations are based in mathematics, of course, and you need to make sure if things work and stress loads, and you'll know your maximums, you know your limits, and then you input that into your whatever you're building.
How will your class help prepare me for my career interest?
And with any engineering job that I know of, there's going to be lots of calculations, lots of work, lots of double checking, just like you will in my class. You'll do your work and double check to make sure it's correct, just like you would in your career field.
What makes your class unique in comparison to other classes in Los Angeles?
Like with most of our heritage schools, use a lot of computer work. And engineering now, it's all digital, it's all computerized to make sure that things aren't, if we make mistakes, computers will catch them for us. So the use of computers and use of calculating on the computers is what makes us very different.
How do you implement character education into your class?
I like to put the responsibility on the students. It's your education, it's your future, and if you guys want to be successful, it's part of your duty to make that initiative, make that responsibility yours, and to be a citizen and take care of your business first before you let others distract you or help people around you. And if you see my class, I try not to baby you guys as much as I can. I try to give you guys as much freedom and as much ability to do your work. And I trust you guys. If you see the way I set up the classroom, I'll sit over here and I trust you guys that you're doing your work.
In what way, how will your class help me become an engineer?
Like I said before, if you are able to pass my class and you understand the idea of mathematics and the way equations work, in any engineering field, electronic engineering, civil engineering, mechanical, or even like cars, you have to be able to calculate your goals on what you want to achieve and to make sure that your equations balance out. So the ability to check your work, set your limits, be able to create an equation of sorts is all algebraic, which all engineers use on a daily basis.
And what subject do you think relates more to my topic?
Any mathematics, of course. Depending on what kind of engineering you want to do trigonometry and calculus, of course. Any engineering class you're going to go to calculus, which is based on an extreme advanced algebra, which becomes more theoretical. Also, geometry and physics. If you're planning on doing anything related to mechanics or buildings, you have to deal with physics and laws of gravity and weight and such.
Is there any projects or activities within your class that will help me with my career research?
Because we're already at the end of the year, the projects themselves don't directly affect your career. Other than right now, of course, we're doing the budgeting project. That'll give you an idea of what your life will be like as an engineer, but not really prepare you per se exactly for that.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. P, for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you.